Factoring the difference of squares. When you have the difference of squares, the first term is squared, and you'll subtract the second term being squared, just like we have shown here in this example 1. And so both terms need to be able to be something you can take the square root of. The square root of x squared is x, and the square root, and we'll leave the sign behind, it's just going to be square root of 25, is 5. When you factor these, the pattern in of the two factors is going to be two terms separated. One of them will be separated by a plus sign, the other one will be separated by a minus sign. And you'll do your first square root of the first term plus the square root of the second term. And on the other one, the square root of the first term minus the square root of the second term. And this works, and I'm going to show you how it works on this one only. By using FOIL, we can check it. So let's just check it using FOIL. X plus 5 times x minus 5. So when we multiply our first together, that gives us the x squared. When we multiply our outer together, that gives us a minus 5x. When we multiply our inner together, that gives us a plus 5x. And we multiply our last together, that gives us the minus 25. The middle two terms are going to cancel out, leaving you just with the x squared minus 25. Again, you don't have to show this work here. I just was trying to show you where it came from. The answer is just x, the factor of x plus 5 times the factor of x minus 5. So let's do another one. Okay, just like we were dealing with the other factoring, the first step on these is look for a common factor. Both these terms are divisible by 3, so I'm going to factor out that 3, leaving me x squared minus 9. The square root of x squared is x. The square root of 9 is 3. So when I factor this, it becomes x plus 3 times x minus 3. Again, one more time. So on this one, there's not a common term to factor out between the two, so I'm going to go to the square root. Square root of 9x squared is 3x. Square root of 49 is 7. And so we have 3x plus 7 times 3x minus 7. That's my answer. If you end up with something that looks like this, x squared plus 25. Because of this plus sign, this is not factorable. Or, in other words, prime.